Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So today we're going to look at how to add the same WhatsApp account onto another phone. And guys, please, after watching this video, please do well to click on the subscribe button below this video, and then to subscribe to my channel Tech PBA, and also click on the bell beside the subscribe button to get notifications for future videos that I would upload. So the first thing we are looking at is this is my main WhatsApp account. So if I go to the three dots, I go to settings, and then I click on the profile. This is my main WhatsApp profile. So that's my phone number with a 5297 last four digits. So what the next thing we're going to do is to get onto the new phone or the other phone that we want to add a WhatsApp account to. Okay guys, so on my second phone I'm actually using a simulator to simulate my second phone, so on which I'm going to add the same WhatsApp account. After you installed WhatsApp on the new phone or the other phone, and you open the WhatsApp app on the phone, you'll be greeted with this page or with this screen. So what you're going to do is to tap on the agree and continue. And then over here, this is where the main thing is. So over here, where you will be prompted to type in your phone number, to select your country and then type in your phone number. You will not type your phone number. What you're going to do is to click or tap on the three dots over here, and then tap on link a device. So when you are greeted with the QR code, what you're going to do is to take your original phone or the other phone, the main phone or the main WhatsApp account phone, and then scan the QR code over here. So I'll do that very quickly, and then we will continue. Okay, so on your other phone, you're going to go to the three dots at the upper right hand corner, and then you will tap on linked devices. So over here you will tap on link a device. So this is what you're going to use to scan the QR code that we saw earlier. So I just scanned the QR code, and then the account is being added onto the new phone. Hey guys, so as you can see, the account has successfully been added onto the new phone, which I'm actually simulating with the software. So to confirm that everything has been transferred onto the new phone or the other onto the new phone, let's click on the three dots over here, go to settings, and then we'll click on the profile. And as we can see, the same phone number, the same account with the same profile picture, the same everything has been moved over to the new phone. So yes guys, this is the to do it, how to add your WhatsApp account onto a new phone. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do well to click on the subscribe button below this video to subscribe.